You're witnessing something special. The new style 2023 big boy Range Rover full size are arriving now. That's the baddest as they come right there, guys. You're witnessing something live off the transit truck right now. They're all getting unloaded. Got a Velar right there in blue. That's unique. That's a unique color, the blue. F-Pace in red, another F-Pace right there. You know, everything's... I am waiting on this one right here. They're all arriving. 2023 Range Rovers, they are coming in. Got the bad boy SVRs right here, 500 horsepower beast mode Jaguar SUV. It's going down. If you've been waiting for a Range Rover full size, now is your time. Because they're right here, right now, guys. So if you want one, give me a call ASAP. They are not going home with anybody right now. They're not reserved yet. We don't reserve them till they come here. This is the time. 602-456-9445. The brand new redesigned full size Range Rover is arriving as we speak. This car has about 100 and something, or no, about 200 something reservations at other stores, but they can't deliver. They're coming here because we actually have the vehicle. So if you know anybody looking for a full size, it just arrived right now. You're looking at it live. This one is going to be here. I got a black one that's just got unloaded as well. I'll show you what I'm talking about. Getting out of the Tesla real quick. Here we go. Full size. That's the one you see in YouTube on the news and everything. The redesigned 2023. Then we've got this bad boy right here. If you want darker color, this one's available. Just arrived. Look at how they wrap it all up. Oh my gosh, this thing. The floating display, 13-inch screen, floating. The floating infotainment system. The dark until on buttons, surround sound, panoramic roof, aluminum, touches everywhere, door sills. Look at how they cover everything up, guys. Everything's covered, actual wood grain, door handles that go into the body, no door, none of the rubber stuff there. 22s, the dark until lit, tail lights. I mean, it's body kit, air ride. This is the one to have. This is the one to have. This will be the only dark one, Carpathian in Arizona. So if you want to have something that's unique, got some more coming. BMW. This is the one to give if you want to be unique. If you want the one that's very classy, if you want one that's very classy, then that one right there, like a champagne color. Super excited to show you these things. Getting them unwrapped right now. Brand new.